Pulling up with the slap. Waking up the block. Speakers about to pop.
8 and on the beat.
For a little tiny amp like this. We can find out right now if this thing does what it says it's going to do. Welcome to Amp Test Tuesday.
Eight on the beat. Right there in front of your own eyes. This little thing packs a serious punch. I can't believe that much power comes out of a case that small. All right, we've seen what it can do on the dyno. Let's see what it does while it's hooked up to speakers. I'm still gonna use a frequency generator just to get the most out of it. We'll see. Let's try it. So we're officially hooked up to speakers right now. I'm turning the gain up a little bit. Neighbor's gonna love this one. They still work. Did it? Well, you saw it right here, hooked up to speakers, 4,000 watts. Not bad at all. I think I meant to turn it down. I meant to turn it down at the gain, and I turned the frequency down instead. Had that fucker getting it. I hope they're okay. Let's see. Let's do it again on purpose. Ready? Okay, so none of this trim is fastened down. The box is not loose. It's just a little bit of trim. It's not fastened down yet. Slow-mo. Amp Test Tuesday, right there, right in front of you. This amp has some straight up balls. Damn. Look how small this amp is. That's crazy. Let's pull it apart and look at it. This amp is very small for the amount of power that I just saw it put out. Let's flip it over and see what's inside of it. Definitely one of the most badass amps I've ever tested. For how small it is, look at that. 4,000 watts, right in front of your eyes and on speakers. But I got a 5500.1 over here. Better hit like if you want to see that one get tested. We'll crack that thing open, we'll put it on the dyno, we'll put it on some speakers. Thanks for watching. I'm out.